Hi guys, to make a quick and easy yellow fried rice, you need diced carrots, two small sized diced onion. You need your yellow rice, and you've now got the recipe for making yellow rice, don't you? You also need about 5 eggs. You can add more or less. 5 garlic cloves, one Maggi cube, some salad onions or scallions. You also need oil for your fried rice, and this time we are going to use groundnut oil. You need some powdered ginger. You can also use the fresh one if you like, but this time we're making it very easy. And last but not least, you need some chicken flavor stock. So now let's get started. In a large enough cooking pot, add in about 5 tablespoons of groundnut oil and let it heat up. Add in the chopped garlic cloves when the oil is hot enough. Let it fry for about 2 to 3 minutes and give it a little stir. Next, we are going to add in our eggs. So this time, as I said, we are using 5 eggs. We just decided to add in the eggs directly, but you can also mix it and add it. Okay, it's really up to you, but this is a quick recipe. Now, scramble it for about maybe a minute or so until you get this result. So your egg needs to be scrambled. Whether you prepare it like an omelette or not, this is how it's supposed to be. Alright, our eggs are ready now, and we are going to add in our carrots and onion. So this is a very quick recipe, as I said, so we're adding everything. Okay, now give it a good stir. Okay, if you think you need to add in a bit more oil, like a tablespoon or two, please feel free to add it. Okay, but stir it and leave it to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Alright guys, we are now going to add in our scallions or spring onions or salad onion or green onions, however you call it. Okay, and don't forget to stir it and make sure it doesn't burn, so let it cook on a medium heat. Okay, now we are going to add in our powdered ginger, and we are going to add about 1 teaspoon of powdered ginger. Okay, right, next we are going to add our Maggi cube. If you are a fan of Maggi cube, you can add in 2. If you are not, you can even skip it, but we like it, so we decided to add 1 Maggi cube. Now stir it and leave everything to cook on a medium heat for about 7 to 10 minutes. So you see, our recipe, our rice is almost ready. Okay, it is time to add in the yellow rice, and you know what, I'm just amazed by the color of this rice. It's just a perfect chicken yellow, chick yellow, you know, it's just so nice, perfectly done. So again, you have the recipe for this yellow rice is the one before this one. Okay, that was the part 1 and this is the part 2. Right, once you add the rice, you can stir it, and then we are now going to add 1 tablespoon of chicken flavor stock. Okay, if you want to add more, go ahead, but we think it will be fine with just 1 tablespoon of this flavor stock. If you don't want to use chicken, you can use beef or whatever you like. Now stir it and leave it to cook another 5 minutes, and voila, your quick yellow fried rice is ready. And I don't know if you have noticed, this is vegetarian. There's no meat. So we really hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. If you did, give us a comment, a like. We'll see you next time for another recipe. Bye, take care.